Tired of cable clutter? What if one single cable could charge your laptop, phone, tablet, and earbuds and tell you exactly how fast they're charging? Meet the 4-in-1 USB-C cable with a built-in wattage display. It made me smarter about how I power my devices. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't a cheap cable. The nylon braiding feels premium and resists tangling, but the real game changer: the flat design. It lays perfectly flat on your desk or nightstand, no more spaghetti of cords. And this digital wattage display. Sleek, modern, and actually useful. With 4 built-in tips: USB-C, Lightning, micro USB, and USB-A, it covers every device you own. Features transformed into benefits. Feature 1: built-in digital wattage display. This is the killer feature. It's not just a display, it's a diagnostic tool. You can see exactly how fast your devices are charging. No more guessing if your charger or port is the problem. Feature 2 to 240W high-speed charging and data sync. With 240 watts of power, this cable can handle high-end laptops like the MacBook Pro, gaming rigs, or even multiple phones, without breaking a sweat. And yes, it transfers data lightning fast. Feature 3 to 4-in-1 multi-charge design. One cable for everything. This 4-in-1 setup replaced my entire drawer of cords. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on a trip, it's the only cable you'll ever reach for. Feature 4: tangle-free flat nylon braiding. The flat design keeps it from twisting or knotting, while the nylon shell makes it tough enough to outlast your devices. Real-world testing. Pushed this cable to the limit. You can use this cable in every scenario you could think of to test its universal promise. Scenario 1: the home office desk. It became my single cable solution. I could quickly switch between charging my work laptop at full speed and plugging in my phone, all while knowing both were getting optimal power. Scenario 2: travel. On a trip, this is the only cable you can pack. It is capable of charging everything from iPhone and Android work phone to headphones and tablet. The peace of mind is unbelievable. The balanced verdict. Here's my honest take. Strengths. 1. It eliminates cable clutter. 2. Smart diagnostic display. 3. Handles 240W of power, future-proof. 4. Tangle-free, durable build. Shortcomings. 1. Display draws minimal power, needs charging source to light up. 2. Lose it, and you lose your only cable, so keep it safe. This is perfect for travelers, families with multiple devices, and anyone tired of cable chaos. If you value a minimalist setup and love data-driven control, this cable is worth every penny. The 4-in-1 USB-C cable with wattage display isn't just a cable, it's your smart charging hub. It declutters your life, streamlines your tech, and ends the guessing game. Stop guessing, start knowing. Click the link in the description below to check the latest price and finally win the war against cable clutter.